Everybody, today I'm going to be showing you how to make an origami transforming ninja star. So I'm going to be making this out of sticky notes. You can use any color, but I'm going to be using blue. So first, I want you to fold it diagonally. Now unfold it. Now fold it diagonally the other way. You want to get it as perfect as possible because it'll matter later, I promise you. Now, unfold that. Now I want you to find the sticky part. Mine is right here. I want you to get it vertical on either the left side or the right side. Now, fold it in half. When you fold it in half, make sure that the sticky part is on the outside. Okay, now find the sticky part. Make sure it's on top. Now, fold in the corners to the center line. Fold in the corners to the center line. Now, do the same with the other side. Now, fold it in half. Okay, now here's where I thought the tricky part was. Fold in right like that. Like just kind of tuck it into the other side. Now, just kind of press these together, and voila! One of the 8 pieces you will be using to make the origami ninja star. Now, I have my second one here. I'm going to show you how to attach them. So hold them like you completed them. Turn this one sideways so that this side is completely straight. Now, tuck it in between these 2 flaps. Okay, you see this excess right here? I want you to fold that in between the other 2 flaps of the other piece. 2 flaps of the other piece. If you did it right, you should end up with something like this. I'm back, and after connecting 7 out of 8 of the pieces, I wanted to show you how to connect the 8th piece because when I first did it, I found it kind of difficult. Okay, so first, take your 7 pieces, then insert the 8th, then open this and insert the 8th here, like this. Make sure when you're inserting it, this piece gets inserted into the 8th piece simultaneously. Okay, now I want you to fold in the excess. Since this is the first time there's something in there when you're folding these in, I wanted to let you know that you don't want to fold it over the thing in the middle. You want to just keep it to the side, if you know what I mean. And that is your transforming ninja star. But here's the difficult part, making it work. You just want to take 2 opposite sides and push them together very carefully. These connections come undone very easily when you first start out, so if they do, just put it back in the fold. Slowly and carefully. You might think that building it was the hard part, but this is actually possibly even harder. When you're using it, you want to keep an eye on the connections because if one comes undone, that'll lead to another coming undone, and then another. Then it'll fall apart. That is transforming ninja star.